welcome back to my channel and I hope you're having a great day today. I am actually going to vlog today because I put a little poll on Instagram stories last night and I asked you guys what videos you want to see more of, and surprise surprise, vlogs was like #1, so I thought I would vlog today. So it's November and obviously in like 6 weeks or something it will be Christmas. I don't actually feel that Christmassy yet, so today's video is all about Christmas. I'm gonna go into a garden centre. I'm here now with my mum. She's sitting there waiting for me to vlog. So we're gonna go and have like a little festive coffee, and we're gonna go and look around the Christmas decorations because this garden centre is really good for Christmas decorations. I've also got some Christmas shopping to show you later when I get home as well. So I thought I'd help you all feel festive. I know it's been quite warm in the UK, so it doesn't actually feel like winter, which is weird. So come along with me. If you don't feel festive, I'm sure by the end of this vlog you will be. So let's go. So Christmassy. This place is basically like how I want to decorate my house, but it never looks this good. Look at this. I wish I had a budgie. How amazing is this pink tree? So pretty. Love these little guys, not gonna lie. I love these little houses. These are so cute. If I still had a fireplace, I would definitely get one of these. I really want to get this little guy, but I think all the squirrels near our house will get really confused and think it's real, so maybe not. Got all these wreaths, Mum. Oh gosh. Ah, this one's cool. Making me so Christmassy. Actually remember what colour my tree was last year, so I need to look at some photos, but I think it was like orange and wood. So I love this kind of like gold and green and orange. So much choice. I wish I could have a tree in every room, but I love this kind of green with orange. How nice does that look? I might have to put a bit of green on my tree. Yeah, there's so much stuff here. I might get this big star for the top of my tree. It's massive. How much is this? It's only $16.99. Saying that these look amazing if you just dot them in your tree. Just stab it in like that. I'm not very good at trees, but that's what my mum said, so just having a look at all the different ones they've got. Mum, look. Oh, what do you think? Should I get it?
Oh, definitely. That's cute. That's cute.
So I'm home now. I haven't actually vlogged in this position for so long. I used to do my little Sainsbury's shopping hauls here. Let me know down below in the comments if you used to watch when I used to do that. Maybe I'll do that again very soon. I haven't done a food shop for ages, so I can't at the moment. I thought I would show you what I picked up in the garden centre today. Excuse the hair, it's gone a bit windswept and a bit flat. To be honest, I picked up 2 things. I didn't even pick up anything that interesting. The first thing were these little micro lights, and these were like £3 and they're like multicoloured, and if you watch my like sit down videos you will remember or notice I've got some lights wrapped around my mirror. And yeah, I really like these because they're kind of wire, they wrap around really nicely. So I picked up those, and those are battery powered. And then I also picked up these, which are little angel wings for your Christmas tree. I thought I would just show you what I'm wearing today because I'm quite fond of this outfit. So here I've got my little ASOS jumper. You would have recognised this if you watched one of my ASOS hauls recently. Just love how this looks, and I actually had it tucked in earlier. And then I've got these trousers which are from New Look, but you can also get these on ASOS. I'll leave the link to these below. They're basically leopard print culottes and I am in love with them. I had them on with some boots earlier and the socks, but the socks are staying. I'm sorry, my feet are cold. But yeah, I just think this is a really cute outfit. Quite subtle, even though we've got a leopard print bottom, but I really love this jumper. So in here I have some Christmas presents and I thought I would show you. So if you are my mum or Chris, then stop watching the video now because these Christmas presents are for you. There's also one for me. So let's take a look and see what's inside. So I picked up some Christmas presents. I've got about massive big box here as well, and these are from Ted Baker. Ted Baker have got the most amazing shoes online at the moment, so head on over to the website. I'll leave the link below if you fancy picking up some presents for your loved ones. I also kindly got given a present for me as well, and this is my present. Look how cute this box is. I've been saving these because I wanted to show you the actual box before I undo all this ribbon. But yeah, obviously with Christmas and party season coming up, I have quite a few little events to go to, but one of the events that I really wanted a new pair of shoes for is New Year's Eve. I always leave New Year's Eve outfits until the last minute, usually the week before, and then it's really hard to find stuff that I like or stuff that's Christmassy, because obviously that's kind of past the shops then as well. So I thought I'd be organised, and I have got these. So here is the box, and as I open this, look how cute this is. So we've got a little sweet treat, which is a little perfume, and then a little purse. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, I've just opened the purse. It's not a purse. It's got like, it's like a little travel kit. This is so adorable. Look at this. So I've got a pair of scissors, a little kind of manicure kit. Honestly, I don't own anything like this, and this is in rose gold. This has literally made my day. What a cute little present. Then we have a little nail varnish as well, which again, I love the colour of this. These all match, which is making me very, very happy. And then in here, we have the shoes. Oh, I've got a little note. Oh my god, these are so adorable. So these are like a slingback shoe, and then on the front we have this really cool like pom-pom detailing, and of course a little bow at the back, which is a little Ted Baker bow. I honestly think these may be the best shoes I own ever. I'm so excited. They're kind of like a modern take on the Cinderella shoe, which I absolutely love. I do these in a few different colours as well, but I did choose the black because I thought actually I can see myself wearing these with a lot throughout the whole year, not just for one event, but obviously for New Year's Eve you always want something that will go with any outfit. So that's my present done. Next up we have a little something for my mum. So I have got my mum a pair of boots because she's always wanted a pair of Ted Baker boots, and I thought she would like these. So these are kind of like a suede material boot. As you can see, they are, I would say, below your knee. They're not an over the knee boot, obviously. So yeah, I really, really like these. So they're black, and then they've got this little detailing here, which is kind of like a little leather bow. And of course, it's got a little bit of rose gold on it, which I'm loving at the moment. And this is like the little bow again. It says Ted Baker without even needing to say it, which is perfect. And then it's got this really subtle kind of rose gold toe cap, but it's not too much, because I think if it was too much rose gold, that kind of dictates to an outfit, whereas with that, it's so subtle. You could just wear anything with it. I think you could wear these easily over a pair of skinny jeans, but also with kind of like mini skirt and tights, midi skirts, maxi dresses, pretty much anything. And obviously these are so on trend when it comes to autumn winter. So those are the shoes that my mum has. If only I was the same size as my mum, I could just nick them. She wouldn't know. Well, she would if she watched this. So then, lastly, we have Chris's present. Kind of saw it then. So Chris has never ever had a decent pair of slippers. So I thought it was about time. Got him a pair of slippers from Ted Baker. So these, oh my god, the box. The box, look how cool this is. It's like space inside. Do you know what? The boxes are amazing. I wouldn't be able to throw this away. I'd have to keep that because it's actually got like a little see-through lid. You could put something fancy in there. So yeah, so these are the slippers that I picked up for Chris. So I'll take out the little inserts. So they are brown, as you can see. They're pretty classic in shape, but inside they are like covered in this really soft cozy faux fur, and I just think these are going to be so cozy. I don't think you'd even need socks on. But yeah, really classic pair of slippers. They've got a little bit of blue detailing on the bottom and up the side. And then do they say, yeah, they've got a little Ted Baker emblem on there as well. And they are a rubber sole as well. So if you wanted to, you could wear them outside. Sometimes I like to go out and get a coffee in my slippers in the car. So Chris can now do that for me. I just think these are such a lovely present for boyfriend, husband, dad, brother, friend. Love these. I now want a pair of Ted Baker slippers for myself. This is dangerous. This is why I can't go Christmas shopping, because whenever I do, I end up buying double because I want it. As you can see, really like high quality, good gifts, and that's something that I really struggle with sometimes because I never know what to buy people. Hopefully my mum and Chris like those, and obviously I love mine. I cannot wait to style these up in some videos. I just need to smell this perfume because it looks so nice. The bottle is so pretty. Oh, that's so cute. This is the kind of perfume you could take away with you travelling. Like, look, it fits in my hand. It's so cute. Let's give it a sniff. Oh, I like that. It's kind of fresh. Fresh and floral, I would say. That's nice. I've just swallowed a load. Tastes nice as well, actually.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I
croaky voice there. It is now the next day and I am filming some videos. I have some stuff to film. I like to pre-film a few because otherwise then I feel like I don't do a good job if it's like the day before. So I've got a few to film today, and then we're gonna go for a little lunch. I think we might go for like a little seaside lunch. It's really weird at the moment because obviously Chris being a wedding photographer, he's kind of out of season of weddings. So it's always nice that we get to spend a bit of time together because I feel like the whole of summer we don't really see each other. So yeah, that'll be nice. So I'm just gonna carry on filming. Also, I do keep thinking about having my hair cut short again. I feel like I miss it short, and I feel like with the fringe it looks quite cool short, so I've just tucked it into my jumper just to see what it looks like. But yeah, let me know what you think. Shall I grow it long again, or shall I cut it short and have my fringe like cut back in? I feel like shorter with the fringe is a little bit more kind of what vibe I was going for. It has grown quite a lot. Like if you pull it out, look how long it's got. I just don't know if I preferred it shorter. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Anyway, filming time. Okay, so my last video of the day is filmed. However, I now have to try on every single item that I've got down here. So wish me luck. Here goes.
Everything will be okay, 'cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
So fancy. So change of plan, we're actually not going to the beach now, we're going to another garden centre just for some lunch because we've been working super hard today. We need to reward ourselves, so we're going to go and have a sandwich somewhere. So yeah, I've put on my glad rags, which are basically a scruffy jumper and a scruffy coat, and some leggings because I need to be comfortable after all that trying on clothes. So let's go get a sandwich. Flat white, baby, flat white.
Flat white.
Another day, another garden centre. This is also Christmassy, but we won't show you more because I think you might be Christmased out. Just looking at these shelves. Chris reckons he can make this, so we'll see how that goes. Oh, a rare appearance of Christopher Bradshaw on my YouTube channel. I really like these fake autumn leaves. How cute are they? And this little Christmas tree. And all of these baskets. Look at this thing, that's so glam. Look at them, little centres. They're quite cool actually, I like them.
They look nice in the fireplace.
Yeah, I like that. $14.99.
What is it?
They're light, they're not.
What is it?
It's like just a statue. All done at the garden centre. Oh, that was embarrassing, the door's not open. All done at the garden centre. Just going home, back to doing some work. That's about it. So I'm back home now and I'm just about to upload these files from the memory card and edit this vlog. So this is where I say goodbye. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know today was kind of a bit of a short day, but I've just been working, filming, doing all the things that you got to do, and yeah, if you want more vlogs then do let me know down below in the comments. So I hope this video got you into the Christmas spirit. I know for one it definitely helped me feel a bit more Christmassy, going shopping and doing some Christmas shopping as well. I will also leave the links to all of those Ted Baker shoes down below in the down bar, but if you do fancy something for yourself I will also leave the new in section link as well, because there's so much online, including these. I'm literally, guys, I'm so in love with these. I wore them in one of my hauls today and I literally, they're just like Cinderella shoes to me. Like, I feel like Cinderella, but yeah. Anyway, so yeah, thank you to Ted Baker for working with me on this video. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again next time for another video and hopefully soon another vlog. Bye.